So this is exactly how I was able to fix Black Ops 2 unable to join friends game session on my PlayStation 5. So basically what I had to do is to firstly click on this PlayStation logo here on my controller and then click on home right here as you can see. And then click on settings and then we need to click on network settings right here. And then click on settings and click on set up internet connection. And now on the Wi-Fi that you're connected to, you're just gonna click on this button right here and then click on advanced settings. Now in here, change your DNS settings from automatic to manual, and then the primary DNS should be 8.8.8.8, and the secondary DNS is 8.8.4.4. And then just simply click on OK right here as you can see. Now just wait for it to reconnect to internet. Sometimes this is really quick, sometimes it takes a little while, just so you know. There is one more thing, just go back here and then hover over your Black Ops 2 game, and then just simply click on this button right here again and click on close game. You will need to close and then reopen the Black Ops 2 game and try once again. Hopefully this will be able to fix it for you as well.